What protocols does a typical home router use when talking to ISP? My home router connects to the ISP via coax cable, Verizon Fios or Comcast Xfinity, here in the US. Fitting into the OC7 layer model, what layer 1, coax, and layer 2, still Ethernet, protocol does it use to talk to the ISP?
Comcast Xfinity, like all ISPs that are also cable TV providers, uses DOCSIS. Most likely version 3.0. DOCSIS defines both layer 1 and 2. It defines the physical layer as RF signals between 5 MHz and 1 GHz over 75 ohm coaxial cable at certain power levels, and channelized into 6 MHz channels for North America and other NTSC/ATSC TV markets, or 8 MHz channels, EurodOCSIS, for PAL TV markets, just like local TV channels, so it can use unused TV channel frequencies on the cable TV cable so it doesn't interfere with your cable TV reception. It also defines the link layer, but that's a bit more complicated to describe here. DOCSIS stands for a Data over Cable System Interface Specification, and was developed by Cable Labs, a consortium of the cable TV industry. I believe the DOCSIS standards are freely downloadable from Cable Labs, and fairly readable as technical standards go, which isn't saying much. Verizon FiOS started as PON but is transitioning to PON, Broadband Gigabit, Passive Optical Network. The PON standard is ITU-TG.983. PON is ITU-TG.984. These PON standards also specify both layers 1 and 2. If you get your broadband internet service from a landline telephone company that hasn't gone to PON/PON yet, then it is probably some flavor of DSL, digital subscriber line, most likely ADSL 2 Plus or VDSL 2 nowadays. Again, the asterisk DSL standards specify both the physical and data link layers. Note that I'm really saying what protocol your broadband modem or fiber ONT speaks to the ISP. If your router does not have an integrated modem or ONT, then it uses its Ethernet 1 port to speak to the standalone modem or Ontario.